Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July 28th, 2018, and I have a special announcement for you. My shop is open on www.carriesgardeningchannel.com. I have all kind of different products on there. I will also be adding more to it as it goes along. And I'm really excited about this. I've been working on it for a while now. And I want to talk to you about how the gardening channel works for the shop. You do have to make an account on there before you can purchase. That's just something standard that we did with both websites. For payment, you'll be directed to PayPal's website. You can pay right on PayPal, however you choose to pay. I can combine shipping. You'll just have to contact me before you make your purchase so I can get that all set up for you for the combined shipping. And I will be adding another to the shop where you'll be able to see some of the previous like flower show awards and stuff that I won. And so that's a little bit about how the shop works. If you have any questions about the shop and how it works, there is an email address on there. Now that's, I prefer to only be for shop questions and shop related questions and website related questions. You can put like the gardening questions on the YouTube page or something like that. And once you to see it, you just want to go check it out. I'll have links down below for it. This is actually the second website that I've built. The other one is www.pa Mountaintop Colored Stones. If you want to go over and check that one out too, I'll have a link down below for that one as well. And I hope you enjoy it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.